When Raviraj Kadle sir left me alone, I felt like abandoned and deserted and what not. It's like, no, ellavaru enne ubeshicho. That kind of feeling. And it's not at all fun. You have, we say it like this. I think it's a quote from Kadle sir himself. I think he told me, usually we are slaves of time. Inside the kuti, time is our slave. The only problem is we have no clue how to handle the slave. This is the problem. So why I say this to you, here in this presentation from my side, because once this is over, we have entered the kuti, what Shankaran sir left for all of us, I will share. Then Raviraj sir will come over and do the most important part, and then I will come back with other slides. We are not going to, I am not going to mention one sloka. We are going to speak things which are done and which you may or may not receive from the academy, because academy doesn't have an infrastructure, as simple as that. So let us be very frank on that. The problem is, unless you feel the magnitude yourself, you have no moral authority to make somebody do it. This is the challenge, and this is the toughest thing. And I may sound snobbish, that's not my intention, but this is the reality. So as I mentioned, we don't claim it anti-aging. The best attempt to halt the aging process, this is what I'm mentioning here. Why I say this is the lesson, of course, from Shankaran sir, attempt. In spite of doing Kuti Pravechika Rasayana, my gray hairs haven't gone black. So let us be realistic about it. If I don't behave well whenever I'm outside India with my patients in their home, having wine or fun, whatever, easy, relax, I easily gain 3-4 kgs. So if somebody thinks once done Kuti Pravechika Rasayana, it's all about setting the expectations of the client. It's all setting the candidate's expectations right and achieving it to avoid disappointment. If somebody thinks once done and life is taken for granted, that's totally a mistake, misunderstanding, at least in my experience. Maybe I'm a rare or unworthy specimen, I don't know. But I can say that you can't take it for granted. Once done, finished, no. So let us start into the official. I brought the journey so far. We had the introduction. We saw the 160 seconds video. We saw how somebody is getting into kuti. A gentleman is getting in, but a lady will come out. Once this is over, we will see that. We will get into the FAQs, the questions many of you had asked. We will get into that. So we have everything ready for you. So next. Well, again, the same thing as I had mentioned before. If I go to one venue, I make sure that I am not relevant to them anymore. Anyone we meet in our life, എത്രയും പെട്ടെന്ന് നമ്മൾ അവർക്ക് irrelevant ആകുക. That's very important. So my relevance should finish off as early possible, and it's all here. Next. Yeah, and he is coming to us in. I mean, I am indebted to him, agreed, but I am also indebted to Swami Sachidanand. He was son of a judge. Other details, sir will speak. I limit myself to that level. I'm eternally grateful. I have no enough words to tell about sir or him. He's no more, but eternally grateful. Next. I think if I remain silent, we can save time. Why should I speak the thing that is so easily readable? Next. Next. This you will get in the academy anyway, so why should I speak? These are realities, starting head to toe, whatever. Next. You see, I am in a rush that we speak things you don't get in the internet. That's why I am sir are relevant, so let us go it that way. Next. And nobody has to take a screenshot. I promise you, you will not miss anything if you want it again in your life. Preventing youthfulness, I will definitely agree. Curing diseases we have seen, and delaying aging, I would say definitely yes. Definitely yes. Next. laborious process for the doctor, for the candidate. And 1 month at least, 45 days is also another opinion. I will not have answers to majority of your questions, so I request an advance apology from my side to you. Next. This is the difference. Like in 2002, this was made 2003-4 segment, this PowerPoint. But just to show you. But the video we already saw, and it's there, and such everything is there. Next. So of course, 2 months of Panchakarma. Well, I don't think it's always necessary. One thing, agreed, my friends call me extremist for whatever reasons. I don't want to break the rules of the science. I have no bad intention. I may not be orthodox. I accept my shortcomings. But let us be frank. With all respect to the ancestors of Ayurveda, we will have to tweak the proceedings little bit for making more people get into it. My concept is that if we can't do 100% and don't get 100% result, even if we can do 70% of what is told, some adjustment, analo, ippam, here and there little bit. I don't mean to be unprofessional. If we can get even 50% of the benefit, if more doctors get into it, and KPR becomes more popular, I think it is worth it. 40 years ago, at least, Panchakarma was not common or popular in Europe. But it is now famous like anything. So we need KPR also to become more popular. And our generation has the energy and the enthusiasm and the confidence and the clarity to do it. So please take me in those lines. I'm not against the rules of the science. Adjustment 10 പേര് ചെയ്യുന്നതാണല്ലോ നല്ലത്. വലിയ പെർഫെക്റ്റ് റൂൾ പറഞ്ഞിട്ട് ഒരാൾ പോലും ചെയ്യാത്തത്. It's my simple logic to it. Next. Anyway, next we'll just go forward. I think you can manage. The complication is always interesting. Complication is mostly psychological, can be physical also. 1 month Pathya period I did follow in my case. So the Kamya variety was done by Shankaran sir and his team. There were 7 Ayurvedics and 7 allopathics involved in that project in Raja Healthy Acres. And of course needs intensive observation. ഈ പച്ച മലയാളത്തിൽ പിരി ഇളകും എന്ന് പറയത്തില്ലേ? I don't know what is the English of that. That's what happens. So yeah, I had mentioned that. Yes, this is interesting. If you look at the first complaint, those days the data, GB, mobile data, etc. was not that common, not easy. Even mobile phone was a luxury, at least for me, coming from a middle class family. 2002, 2003, mobile phone is a luxury. So this gentleman, he tried so many times. The 7th dhatu is not even coming out. They showed him all kinds of pornography and what not. Nothing could excite or make that happen. Zero, like a barren. But you will see the result later. I'm just putting the details that they went up to the peak dose of 450 grams Brahma Rasayana. I'm just putting it in red color that it has happened. It can also be done. And all details are very clearly there. 2 months of Panchakarma and Brahma Rasayana. And I remember the cow was specially fed pullu, etc., kind of grass, etc. things, not the okay kind of kalitita kind of things. The area was made a lot of bandobast, etc., etc. So we are coming to a economized version of Kuti Pravishika also later. Let us speak the original version. And the whole area was separated from people going there, and Ramacham all over the walls, and all fantastic bandobast was done. The cow had a jolly good time getting the best food in the world and whatever. So, and one thing so interesting I put in red. His senses became so sharp, he could even differentiate the batch of Nyavara rice. So it is possible. And the best thing, the semen collection was impossible and his values were high. If I recollect it, it was 150 million from not azoospermia, not oligospermia, from asemnia. That's a big deal. I mean, definitely modern medicine could not do it. That's why he came to India. So, and many other important things. But I don't want to be critical. I'm not upset, but what I'm feeling quite unusual and unpleasant. I did contact this gentleman at least 5-6 times after I did my KPR, requesting on Facebook and also an email that, look, buddy, few of us have done it, so let us share it. So can you please give your feedback, how much the effect sustains and whatnot. Always he replied, all the best and blessings to you, dear doctor. So every time I receive blessings, but not real feedback. I don't know if it's a very private factor that he doesn't want to share it, but I think we have a moral responsibility to the humanity to say, failure is failure, so what? So I'm not being critical, but that's a reality. Well, towards the last week, these things were happening to him. Angels talking to him and hallucinations. I had a hallucination. My height is increasing. Wow. On the 11th day, I was, on the 10th day, you are like, no, I have a good dentist, so that's okay. But then, no, when you plunge into something, this is why it's a bit difficult. You give Guluchadi Kashayam, okay, predictable outcome. So we don't know where is a missing link. I'm not being suspicious towards our acharyas, but there's some missing link. Or maybe it's Kali Yuga and we just adjust to you. All result maybe. And anyway, so the context of Naimitika Rasayana, because this is more practically doable. So I'm sharing, it's not Kuti Pravishika Rasayana. But if this can be done at OPD or other IPD level, I'm sure it can be done at the Kuti Pravishika level also. And it may have greater effect, I presume. So as I mentioned, I have not treated these cases. This is totally the cases or case studies of Dr. K. Shankaran sir. And these are the cases done and we'll go through it. Of course, we know if we can give a decent farewell in oncology, it's also a big deal. And we go for, if you can see the top, seemingly incurable diseases. This is what the scope of Rasayana is. And we have plenty of them in the society, where modern medicine, homeopathy, all of them have the limitations. Maybe we have possibilities. But this information should not remain to a small segment of people. More people should know it. And anyway, renal failure case, Shilajit was processed in Bratyadi Kashayam. Processing is simple. Shilajit 1 kilo or whichever mass you are having, fill it with the Bhavana Dravya, which is in this case Puranavadi, or whichever suitable, and you just keep it there covered with a white cloth in sunlight, let water not fall, let crows or nothing do anything bad to it, and it will taniye vatum, dry up, and that's the way it is done, Bhavana. So it is ready, so easy, but the challenge is the source of Shilajit. So, well, we may have solutions, let us see. Anyway, these are the values. I'm not reading it. It's a favorable outcome. And the duration of days it was done and everything. These are all government sector patients of Ayurveda College hospitals where he was working. We just go forward. It's another case, already 25 dialysis. And that was Punanavadi Bhavana. And these are the details. And can you imagine somebody who was written off to death, if she's living another 8 years, it is fantastic. And the cost is not much. The pity in the case of Rasayana therapy is that it's not the cost, it's the technology that is missing among all the doctors. The experience is missing, the know-how is missing. And we'll come to know why the cost is not the major aspect. And of course, the cooperation of the patient is also very, very important. So we go through these values forward. Case of recurrent liposarcoma, and please bear in mind all these cases were hopeless and doomed to death. All written off, if we use that word. So and they have made such miraculous comeback. And Shankaran sir had no secret medicines. Everything Ashtanga Hridaya. That's what is more important. Repeated chemo, radiation, no result, fed up, coming to sir, and the processes, whatever done. It Sahasra Balladaka we know, but it was 986 Balladaka. Why? I don't know. And 58 days. So everything is all as per the book. And this is what I wanted to show you. Can you imagine how cheap it was? In 1999, when this was being done, 1 kilogram was 50 rupees. Maybe 2 masala dosha, those days and times. And now it is 150 rupees, 1 cinema ticket, 1 kg Ballataka. And the change it makes. So we have the material and the expertise, but we need to implement it. For that, it's very important the patient feels convinced. And when they are facing death, most of them agree to it. So the cost is not even 1,500 rupees. And what's that? Not even 1 day's room rent in a hotel for the whole course of therapy. But I'm speaking of the price of the material. The price of this, of the ancestors of Ayurveda, is beyond priceless. Let us not forget that. And this, the patient should also realize. And anyway, and something that neither chemo nor radiation helped, in 20 days the pain is gone. I mean, what a power of the drug and the application also. But what if he was a Pitta Prakriti fellow? What could we do? I have no answer. And this is another case. I'm just forwarding it. We have to get into the action with sir also waiting. I know it is unethical not to cover full eyes. I know that very well. I'm not unaware of that. But I thought we should do things a bit differently. Because the life of the photo is in the eyes. I want to give you that life in that photo. At the same time, I wanted to be politically and technically correct, the ethical committee aspects, whatever. So I deliberately thought I will cover only half eye, one eye. It gives a better feel. And you can see the green, and the green is not the other side. So we are talking of this photograph more than 25 years ago. And it's not a Photoshop. You can be very sure of that. We did not have those technologies those days and times, I would say. So can you imagine a mask going off? And these things are what we need to make sure that it is made more popular. Cirrhosis liver, I show the first case as last. And anyway, the mentioned details are there clearly. I can speak of problems, but I should speak of solutions also. We don't have barriers. There are only solutions. Only solutions. So I found this source, gentleman, quite reliable. There may be more, but I know him personally, etc. So I have trust in that. So what he supplies, he apparently goes to the Himalayas and such, whatever. And the values we will just forward, no problem. The PowerPoint you can always get from the organizers, no problem. Well, we talked of costly Kuti Praveshika Rasayana. I did not put a PowerPoint to it. But if you ask me, what is the charge done, the cost for somebody who does 50 or 60 days, 2 months of Kuti Praveshika Rasayana, if you do in my father-in-law's place, mother-in-law's, is 3 to 3.5 lakh rupees. The question is, when somebody invests 3 to 3.5 lakh rupees for 60 days, we need to set the expectations. We can always debate on the cost. Some can say, okay, I don't buy a car, that's it. I don't buy a new car and I save the 4 lakhs or whatever. At the same time, I don't have the proof with me, so I don't put that in the PowerPoint. I spoke to Dr. Sethu Madhavan, Palakkad, over the phone. He said his cost is 35 lakh rupees, 10 times more than my father-in-law's place. I respect him. I have no problem with the cost, but I don't have the capacity as a government medical officer to afford it. That's my problem, not his. So these realities you may not know in the academy. Again, I'm not comparing. Please don't judge me. I'm not judging people. I'm judging situations. I don't have the habit of judging people. Let me be very frank about it. I did not make a PowerPoint because I did not want to have a evidence of a screenshot. where I have not got the data directly, but he has told me over the phone 2 times. So I respect it. So I don't know how many people will afford 35 lakh rupees. So I don't know. But in this 3.5 lakh rupees, people have got the results they wanted. I can tell you that. But I am from a middle class family. I am looking how we can make it more economical. So that intention was always there when I met Dr. Tapan Vaidya sir. His phone number is there. You can verify if you want. He has done on the patients in their home. Agreed, it may not be Trigarbha Kuti, but if the result is even 30%, I think I'm okay with it. Again, I said, I am not rich, but I made sure I married a rich lady, so that's okay with me. They say usually, if your father is not rich, that's your destiny, nothing you can do about it. But if your father-in-law is not rich, that's your own fault. I did not make that mistake. I made sure I married a lady whose parents were rich. Anyway, so why I'm talking money, only money matters. See, you get respect and acknowledgement when you have money, which is power. Of course, knowledge is also needed. So the youngsters should make a lot of money. I'm deviating from the KPR subject for 2 minutes simply because if somebody says money is nothing, don't believe in that utter nonsense. It is a lot of things. If you think MBBS aspirants or MBA aspirants or management aspirants are going only for the sake of serving the nation and the society, being the criteria, well, ask yourself if you are honest enough. It's money, apart from the efficiency, of course. So, panam undakanam, this I'm telling because most of you are passing out. Some are interns, some are going to pass out, final years. Panam punyathoda venam. Neri nanmayoda venam. That's how it is. Shankaran sir would say that always. So that's I'm talking about money, and here we have an economical version. Well, as I said, I'll be dedicating time and again. If I stand in front of you, it's because of him. And what a great teacher he was, a great physician and a great teacher. So my part, out of the 5 PowerPoints, 3 have been completed. I have 2 more, but very important portion, Raviraj sir's portion is there, and we will get into that. What we can also do at this moment is, this is what we are involved in. If I can be useful to you, if you wish, you can have my number. I'm a lazy bone when it comes to attending phone calls, but if it is text messages, I'm pretty fast, I assume. I can be useful to you in all those patterns. If my group can help you in whichever way, I belong to you today and beyond, if you wish so. Well, we finished this slide. Life should be always pleasant. I've seen a lot of doctors. Not the best thing to have hookah in a auspicious auditorium of college. I understand that, but I've seen many doctors. This is not meant for the doctors on the front row. They're very seniors. My teachers also. Only for those who are less than my age, not for my seniors. This slide is for juniors of my age. Many doctors mess up their personal life by being too professional. I think we should have a balance. Have the best of the times with your family. Just chill out. But be very serious with your profession. Both balance, if goes well, it is good for you, your family, and the community also. Most of the times, famous doctors are themselves stressed. You don't feel like looking at their face because they are out in a high stress land. How can they help others? So I thought, no, I have no shame. We are freaking out in somewhere in Tehran, Iran. So I just always show this to youngsters. Start planning your life. Enjoy that so much that you feel valued for what you do. At the same time, don't lose the seriousness of your profession. And with this, we will get a lady come out of the kuti. We got somebody in. We had the PowerPoint. Yeah, that is Felicity, her name. So you can put on all the 3 or 4 videos of her. So we are bringing out somebody from the kuti.
The sunlight, but no.
She did 52 days. 52 days.
Slowly coming out of the kuti. Srikanth is waiting with the.
You know what? I haven't gone around and touched all the walls.
No, you can easily touch now as you keep coming. That's the Indian gesture.
She's an Australian, but she has a huge
respecting-
affinity towards Indian things and Indian methods and
And
whatever.
even if you feel an outburst, it's okay. No, don't worry on that. Don't worry on that at all. Don't worry. Maybe you can close the door just in case.
It's a very special feeling, huh? Coming out. It's a very special feeling.
No, it's okay because no, we'll see.
Kadle sir would say it is the feeling of the
I'm
feelings.
not a good.
Ooh, my coming out party.
I totally agree to that. She is also wearing the Rudraksha I had gifted her.
This is the second layer over. Now
Second
the third
layer.
of course, you have seen it, so no big deal. Third layer was anyway seen by you, and I think we go this way. Once I should better be in the front. Okay.
Outermost.
I'm very nervous.
Yeah, I can understand that. Everyone will be nervous like you.
It's been a long time, 7.5 weeks.
Yeah.
But I'm very excited to feel the grass with my feet.
You feel
Yes.
very fragile when you come out of such
ഇവർക്ക്
situation.
ഭയങ്കര ബേജാറ് കേട്ടോ. അത് ഇറങ്ങി വരാൻ തന്നെ ഇച്ചിരി കരയണോ അങ്ങനെയൊക്കെ ഫീലിംഗ് ആണ്. And here are your cows.
We usually feed the cows who give the milk because they are your second mothers when you're inside the kuti.
അവർക്ക് കരയണോ ഇറങ്ങി പോകണ്ടെന്നൊക്കെ പറയുന്നുണ്ട്. Yes.
It's just
Make
that
sure that it doesn't bite you.
Really, they bite?
Just
that
in
feeling
case.
is very overwhelming. We can put the next video.
Yeah.
I'll get you one day. Is that too much?
No problem. അത് കൊച്ചിനും കൊടുക്കണ്ടേ? I think for the baby also. Baby may or may not accept.
There's one more, I suppose. Yeah. I mean,
He has idli for you
we
today.
usually request them to feel grounded and
Srikanth has organized that.
as
I think
far
the
as
menu is
possible,
something
if they
else,
walk
officially speaking.
barefoot to the
It
ground.
was a different menu, but it's good. Srikanth
Well, not
organized
mandatory,
that for
but
you. Fantastic.
you feel the reconnect
Yes.
to the earth. She had a life-changing experience. I have her report and everything, and it was very successful for her. She said she's reborn. So again, it depends what you want, how you want. So I think I should hand over the dais to sir, and then I will again come back. There are two other areas I should be speaking about. One is the frequently asked questions that you had asked. To save time, I made sure it was discussed already in the group, the question, the answers are here. And another PowerPoint will also happen, and by which we will be formally completing it. I think we will manage everything in time. So, sir, we are all yours now.